Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VS Code and Emacs. We'll dive into their core functionalities, explore their unique strengths, and discuss how each editor caters to different programming styles. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tool might best suit your development needs, whether you prioritize modern features or deep customization. Let's get started and explore these two powerful editors. When it comes to features, VS Code shines with its intuitive interface and a marketplace boasting tens of thousands of extensions, making it easy to add new functionalities. Emacs, on the other hand, offers a level of customization that is virtually unmatched, allowing users to program their editor to behave exactly as they wish using Emacs Lisp. While VS Code is quick to set up, Emacs rewards those who invest time in mastering its powerful configuration options. Regarding performance, Emacs often has an edge, especially for users who prefer a minimalist setup or work in a terminal. Its startup time can be nearly instantaneous, and it generally consumes fewer system resources. VS Code, built on the Electron framework, can be more resource-intensive, particularly when running numerous extensions or handling very large files. However, modern hardware largely mitigates these differences for many users, making both viable options. The learning curve is a significant differentiator. VS Code is incredibly user-friendly, allowing new users to become productive within minutes, thanks to its intuitive design and extensive documentation. Emacs, however, presents a much steeper learning curve, often requiring a dedicated commitment to learn its unique key bindings and Emacs Lisp. While VS Code's community is vast and modern, Emacs has a deeply knowledgeable and passionate community, offering support for decades of development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.